In this video, I'm going to be looking at USDJPY weekly bias. Something is going on USDJPY right now. A potential market correction is going to come in from this very area to the downside, and I'm going to tell you the exact point in this video. And after the NFP yesterday, we've seen Euro USD begin to move to the upside, which means there is weakness in the dollars. All of these in this very video, so watch this video to the very end. Let's dive right into the details. If you are new here, my name is Paradise. On this channel, I discuss everything about forex day trading strategy to keep you profitable. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more forex videos like this. Also check the channel for other forex content. On USDJPY, I have been talking about the market moving to the upside, and the exact same thing that's been happening right here, but something different right now. I told you to expect retracement within this zone, and that is what we are seeing right now. So from next week, expect the market to retrace. Okay, so from here, this week the market moved all the way from on Monday at this 0 point to the upside. This was on Monday, and then market moved a little bit upward and then stay within this very area. Right now, market is going to come back to the downside for a retracement of this very impulsive move. So after this retracement, market will still continue to the upside. Okay, so we know that market does not move in form of a palm tree. Okay, market does not just move straight to the upside. Market move and ease up. So after this very impulsive move, retracement is required for market to move upward. Market is already at overbought condition on the RSI, and it has come down, crossing the 70% mark right here, which means this market have high capacity of coming back to the downside, which is what you should be paying attention to from next week trading. And this is very important. Now, if you look at the 4-hour chart, something very different on the 4-hour chart. I talk about this divergence, and that is what is playing out right now. If you look at this chart, there is a very nice bearish divergence on this chart. From this very area, market move upward, creating higher highs. And then if you look at the indicator, market is coming back to the downside. So this is a clear divergence on this very chart. And this is a bearish divergence. Why? Because market on the chart is creating higher highs, but the indicator is creating lower highs, which is coming back to the downside. But on this area, market is moving upward. So this divergence means that market is going to come back down. Okay, so I am expecting the market to continue in this downward movement as we resume the market on Monday next week. And the possible area that you should expect this market to pause is number one, this very point of important support, and this very area of support as well. So I am expecting the market to move right down into this level of support, and then we can see the market begin to move upward, because this was where we see a significant decline before market begin to move to the upside to this very point. I believe that the market is going to break out on this very zone of important support, this very area right here. And once that happens, we're going to see the market come into this very zone, then possible retracement and continuation back to the downside. This is the 4-hour chart, and what you need to pay attention to right now on this chart as we resume the market on Monday. Very important, this very bearish divergence on the chart right now. And Euro USD, if you look at this very area, market is moving upward, and we see yesterday after the NFP, market begin to move upward as well. From here, I am still expecting market to continue this movement to the upside, and I am expecting the market to come into this very level of important resistance. So this level is where you expect market to move into, and a breakout on this very area is going to make the market move upward. Okay, and I'm going to update you on this very channel as well. And if you look at the RSI is pointing upward. So market have high capacity of moving to the upside on Euro USD 1-day chart. And if you look at the 4-hour chart, we have that the market has been moving all the way from this very zone since we resumed this week trading. and market move all the way upward at this very level of important resistance. And if you look at this, market is already at this very level of overbought condition on the RSI on the 4-hour chart. What this actually implies is market have capacity of moving upward a little bit and then retracement. So that means on the 4-hour chart, expect retracement very soon. And also there is a volume spike on this very candle. So a spike on this very candle means that bulls are getting tired and the bears are going to take control of the market for a retracement. So what I am expecting and what you need to pay attention to right now is retracement. So even though market move a little bit upward, as we resume the market on Monday, expect the market to retrace and then continuation to the upside. So pay attention to that retracement before continuation upward as we resume the market on Monday on the 4-hour chart, Euro USD. So this is what you need to pay attention to right now. And on the USDJPY, this very divergence is very important. Pay attention to it and trade in line with the market to the downside in favor of the JPY. And for Euro USD, trade in favor of the Euro, which means that USD is weak right now. And I believe it's going to be also weak next week. So for Euro USD, keep buying the market, and you have to buy after this correction for market to move to the upside. Don't buy at where the market is right now. And also for USDJPY, pay attention to selling the market in favor of the JPY. This is what you need to pay attention to right now on these various charts. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more Forex videos like this. Also check the channel for other Forex content. If you've not registered with any broker, check the description of this very video. You see a link and register with my recommended broker. Thanks for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.